In this video, I'm going to explain the process to recover the endpoints from boot failure. We would require a serial cable, we would need an Ethernet cable, we would require a TFTP software, we would require some boot file that I'm going to attach to this document. There are two ways to recover the endpoint from boot failures. One is you connect the codec to a DHCP enabled network so that the codec can get the IP from the network, and we use one of the laptop on the same network and we can push the software. The second option is to connect the laptop directly to the LAN port of the codec, and we set up a DHCP server on the laptop itself. I'm going to connect the laptop directly to the codec and I'm going to assign static IP on the laptop, and that's how I'm gonna recover the software. So in my case the COM port is COM14. So I've opened up a Pari session. I'm going to use the same COM port. The default baud rate is 38400, and I'm going to access the codec now. I'll turn on the codec, and here is what I see when I try to turn it on. It says can't get the image. It looks like the image is corrupt. So I'm getting the Saturn prompt. It's a prompt for C9C. I'm going to restart the unit, and I'll try to break the boot sequence. So just keep tapping B and C. You will get the Saturn prompt. So I've plugged an Ethernet cable from the LAN port of my laptop to the LAN port of the codec. I'm going to set up a DHCP server on my laptop, and this way we will try to push the software image to the codec. So all I would need to do would be I'll go to the network connection settings on my laptop. I'm going to choose the local area connection. We'll go to the properties. I'll use IPv4 address, and I'll type an address of my choice here. So once I do that, I'll see this message changing to unidentified network in a few minutes now. Yep, so once done, I'll open the TFTP software, and I'll set up a DHCP server here. So what I'm going to make is the starting IP address, I'll make it in the range of the same IP that I set on the laptop. The default address, so this is going to, the default router IP is going to be the IP address of my laptop, and the mask would be the network mask. Once I do so, you will see the interface IP showing up here. Once you do so, you will see the IP getting assigned to the codec. It means that codec is now talking to the DHCP server we have set on my laptop. The next step I need to do is I need to choose the location from where this server is going to get the file from. So I'll choose the desktop location and I select OK. So I have created a folder on the desktop with the name TFTP. This folder contains a package extract file, It contains the package TC package software itself, software that you'll be using to make your system a DHCP server and a TFTP server, and we would require a U-boot file as well. I would be opening up the Pari session again, and I'm going to run a series of commands that will help us to start the upgrade process. If we do print environment, we will be able to see this server IP set for the unit. Now I need to choose the location from where the software is going to choose the file. So I already choose desktop as the default location for the software to pick up. Now I'm going to choose the folder on the desktop. So this command is the default, that is setenv underscore tftp underscore path. Uh, the destination is already set on the TFTP software. I just need to mention the file name here, the folder name here. So this is also set. So inside this folder, I need to mention the software package name. It would be set environment set run package as 5200. I'm trying to upload TC7.3.0. So I'm going to mention the same package name here. So this is the same package that we have here in the background. You press enter, run pkg extract. So codec has started the format procedure. The moment you see this hash coming up, you'll get to know that the upgrade has started. You will also see the codec IP here and the server IP address. So it looks all good now. Prompt. So the codec is booting up. We'll be getting the login prompt shortly. So you see the login prompt, it means that the codec is back on and the software has been recovered. So that's the procedure for recovering the codec firmware. Thank you.